Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to knit the seed stitch pattern. This pattern has a very great texture and is super stretchy. So I've already cast on. If you need help with either casting on or knitting or purling, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those. So to get started, it'll be a total of 4 rows repeated. So row 1, we are going to cast, first off, you're going to cast on any odd number of stitches. Sorry about that. And row 1, you are going to start off by knitting, followed by a purl. And that'll be your repeat all the way to the end of the row. So that is a knit and a purl. And of course, I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit so you don't have to watch me slowly knit and purl. Because like I've said in previous videos, I am not the fastest knitter in the West. So we finish off row 1 by a knit. We turn our work. And rows 2 and 3, you will start off your work by purling 1. And knitting in the next stitch, and then that will be repeated all the way to the end of the row. So again, that's a purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. So that was row 2. We're going to turn our work, and row 3 is exactly the same. So it's purl 1, knit 1. All right, and here we are coming up onto row 4. Which is the final portion of this repeat for this pattern. And you will knit 1 and purl 1. And you'll repeat that until the end of your row. So let's go over the patterns again. So row 1 is a repeat of a knit and a purl. Rows 2 and 3 are a repeat of a purl and a knit. And then row 4 is a repeat of a knit and a purl. So here we are coming up on the end. You can kind of see how you're getting that beautiful seed stitch look. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.